Can you see yourself in the 2022 Ford F-150? With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, alarm, trailer hitch, Bluetooth connection, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.